Aloha guys, we are here today at Kekainani at Hoakalei, looking at the new luxury model homes that they're building. About 32 luxury homes perched along Oneula Beach Park, and price tag starting at $3+ million. And so right now we've got 3 model homes. I'm gonna take you to my 2 favorite model homes, and this is the second one called Pohinahina. Come on, let's take a look. So this one has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, 4,000+ square feet of living space. So this is a single floor. Yeah. It's my favorite. It's a 3-bedroom. 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. I'm a simple guy, but I wouldn't mind luxury at a simple level. So let's go take a look. Knock, knock. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Love the open floor concept. Love the sleek in line with the cabinetry. Wolf appliances is one of the top of the line appliances. Let's take a look here. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Like, who lives like this? Come on. You know, hardworking people. This is one of the primary bedrooms, so this would be my bedroom. So if you don't remember, Oneula, otherwise known as Hawai. Sub-Zero. Damn. This is top of the line refrigerator, guys. In line with the cabinetry. Sleek. Ooh, come on. Even the range cooktop is Wolf brand. Damn, this is the size of my bathroom. All right guys, this is Kekainani, 32 luxury homes perched along Oneula Beach Park. Right now there's a few homes available. They're slowly releasing 2 to 3 homes every other month. Right now there's about 3 homes, and as I'm filming this on this as I published it, available for move-in around November to January with a 20,000 credit from the developer. Now, that's today. Look at the date I'm publishing this. That can change, so don't hold my word to it. Other than that, this is luxury for Ewa Beach, and more to come. But also, if you didn't know, they're building more in Waikiki, and more to come, and that's on my next video. And that's more short-term rentals and resort-style living. So this is only the beginning. Ewa Beach along the coast is expanding, and this is just one part of it. So stay tuned.